Hi everyone. Well, today I thought to talk to you about all those questions that you have been asking us on all the social media account about tell me one idea to become super duper fluent, tell me one idea to become better version of yourself, tell me the greatest way to succeed in life and everything and whatnot actually. So Alka, do you remember you asked us a question that tell me one idea to become super duper fluent without the help of other people, means without external involvement. And so here we go. Okay, so
Hey, what's going on?
look who's there.
Hey.
Would you like to join us?
Yeah, why not? By the way, what's going on?
Well, you see, people have been asking us a lot of questions of becoming transformed version of themselves without
version of themselves.
much of the effort and everything. So I thought to address first the issues that's actually there in the thought first, so that the transformation becomes a way easier job.
Oh, hi. I'm Rocky. I'm an avid reader. I like to watch and talk.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, so he's Rocky, he's avid reader, and he likes to
Watch.
watch. Yeah, okay, he likes to watch.
Travel.
Watch what? If I ask him, I don't know what he's gonna be
know.
saying.
Let's
So
not
so it's
really
fine. So you remember Alka the other day, she called us from Dumka, Jharkhand, and she wanted to know how to become super duper fluent in without external involvement. So what do you say? What should she do?
What was she asking for? One idea?
One idea, that
How to be super duper fluent?
instant, yeah.
Instant idea?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Elka. Nobody has got this idea. There are different
Okay.
strategies, right? You need to have an experimental approach. Try this, try that. Then you decide what's working for you.
That's right.
Storytelling works for me. And for certain other people, certain other ideas work.
Yeah,
It's like gym. You remember you were talking about gym?
I do.
So what was
Well,
the incident of gym, right?
Okay, what happens is, you see, even if we both plan to go to gym, maybe the gym is same, okay? Maybe in fact the purpose is same. I want to be fitter version of myself. He wants to get a little bit of better body, okay? So we go to same gym, coach can be same, timing can be same, but you see, the planning has to be different because our brain thinks differently, because our body acts and reacts differently, because we have had different experimental ways to deal with ourselves in our life so far, which is why, as he said, what works for you for your own improvement in order to become super duper fluent that you want to be, look for that one. And for that you gotta be experimental. That means keep trying. One idea doesn't work, supersede it, look for another one, then another one, then another one, and then you see there is this one idea what you're asking us, you'll find yourself actually.
Yeah, show some audacity, have an experimental approach, find a mentor, invest in yourself,
Yeah.
try different strategies. But if you're simply sitting at home and looking for that one idea, we are so sorry, you're never going to find that one idea.
Even if you get, it won't work in your favor actually.
And even if you get, do tell us.
So
have
that
been
we
looking
can,
for these ideas for a long time, because different ideas work for different people,
Yes.
as she has just mentioned. And yes, more importantly, you got to be available for the transformation.
Absolutely.
Are you ready to burn the old you down?
yeah.
Are you ready to turn the old you into ashes, Arka?
Abs- if you are, then there you go, transformation occurs there,
Transformation.
fluency comes there, change occurs there. So you see, that reminds me of one of the questions asked by one of the students in one of the social media actually profile, and that was, tell me the easiest way to transform oneself.
Easiest way to transform oneself.
Yes.
The easiest way, I'm so sorry, happens in imagination. You can imagine anything. You can become David.
Oh yeah, I did it whole my life actually.
Yes, in your imagination, you can become David Goggins.
Oh,
or
yeah.
Bill Gates or Steve Jobs or whatever you wish to be. That's the easiest way. Only in imagination.
But in reality, you gotta act something. And what is that, by the way?
You gotta execute, you gotta put yourself under constant pressure. You're gonna challenge yourself. These challenges have to be regular throughout the life, because there's no threshold for learning. Learning is a journey, not a destination.
And which is why I would like to break their heart by stating that, well, there won't be a day ever in your life where you can say, that's it, I gotta stop learning, I gotta stop acting, I gotta stop, working upon my language, I gotta stop working upon my personality, because there is no end to it. If you have this in your mind, there is an end, well, that's where the problem lies.
What's good in a man? That he's a bridge, not an end.
So become a bridge, not an end. Don't look
Yes.
for an end. Look for more and more bridges that should come in your life. be it in the form of obstacles, difficulties, problems, improvement, pain, and a lot of pain, and a lot of pain. And if you have that, there you go. That's
There
where
you go.
transformation occurs. What do you say?
Transformation occurs. Yes, of course, you're absolutely right. Find a good mentor. Invest in yourself. Have big, audacious goals. Accept big, audacious challenges. And you have to be available for the transformation. Then.
You see, there's very good quote that I was telling on the other day to some of the students, that problem isn't that we aim or one aims too high. Problem is that one aims too low and they hit it. And what after next? I mean,
Exactly.
then people go crazy. What after that? Which is why don't look for the final solution as in that's it. We're gonna keep walking towards a betterment. Do you have any final words, or I'll just wrap it up today?
Yeah, one last thing. Do you remember what the other day we were discussing about David Goggins?
Oh my God, he is
Right.
a monster. He's not a
monster.
man.
Not
He's
a
not.
human, superhuman, Superman, Ubermensch.
Whatever you call him.
Right. So he wanted to participate in the baddest, the toughest race on the planet.
Okay.
Now to participate in the toughest race, one was supposed to run 130 or 140 miles maybe
Oh.
in one day. And mind you, he didn't have any experience of ultra marathon. Now tomorrow he has got this race. He's supposed to run, or maybe 100 miles. He's supposed to run 100 miles. And in the evening today, he goes to the gym and he does intense workout for 3-4 hours. Deadlift, this lift, that lift. He's extremely exhausted. Next morning, he runs. After 70 miles, he's gone. His legs
Yeah,
are
but-
broken. He's
Yeah.
peeing blood. Still, he completes the race.
Because he is driven by what? He's driven by his own mind, yeah? He's driven by the challenges.
And he simply takes the soul of pain, soul out of the pain, and he challenges pains and fears. You cannot stop me. I'm gonna take your soul.
Yeah.
That's what he does.
So you're gonna take
Interesting lesson.
soul? Are you suggesting to take the soul out of whatever the problem they have in life?
Exactly. The moment to find even better communicator, speak in such a way, or perhaps learn in the beginning, but in the future speak in such a way so that you could
Take
take
the
the soul
soul
out
out.
of these better communicators instead of running away. Oh, better communicators, let's run. No! Put yourself under constant pressure. Be
So
a
put your
fantastic
soul
public speaker.
in the situation where you can have pain so that you can thrive to become better like David Goggins, maybe not, but maybe better version of yourself.
Yes, this
Yeah.
has to be the ultimate aim. Be the better version of yourself. Be available for the transformation.
And do not forget to subscribe our channel, Pep Talk India. Even if you like watching video just like that, it's better to get notification every once in a while. So subscribe it now and ask everybody on the planet to subscribe it.
And don't forget to ask questions in the comment section if you have.
Sure. Bye bye. Toodaloo. See ya.